Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. An illegal dump in a Manchester community is this evening raising health concerns and has fingers pointing on business operators. But while the Member of Parliament appeals for a garbage receptacle for the commercial space, the head of the National Solid Waste Management Authority is appealing for greater personal responsibility. Krista Campbell has the details.
In a section of Mile Gully, Manchester, amidst an expanse of grass, is what's become a field of garbage. One resident tells TVJ News the illegal dumping has been happening for about 15 years.
The last time that this garbage was cleaned up was about 11th of December.
We have been making complaints to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Parish Office, numerous occasions. We have gotten little help from them in clearing the dump, but mainly it is myself and the councillor who has used our resources to clear that illegal dump by the train line.
Member of Parliament for North West Manchester, Michael Phillips, adds that he has even asked the Southern Parks and Markets, which is responsible for the management of solid waste in the parish, to erect no dumping signs as a deterrent to the guilty parties.
Many people says that it is only the business people in Mile Gully that does the dumping there. That is not so. You have persons coming from St. Elizabeth all over to dump at that illegal dump in Mile Gully.
We put the issue to Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, Audley Gordon.
It's a recurring decimal. We've been there time and time again. We have cleaned it, we have appealed to the residents, but you know what? The business people in and around Mile Gully have to take some responsibility for this. We have reports, and I'm not here to indict, that a large percentage of the garbage there are commercial garbage.
Most of this garbage here is from the restaurant. So the dog will come and tear up the bags as soon as they are dumped here. Rodent rats. The farmers are experiencing that. A lot of rats all over the place. I know this is a farming community.
Mile Gully resident Roy Allen is also concerned about persons who set some of the waste at the illegal dump on fire, which threatens the health and safety of the community.
When it is set on fire, it spreads to neighboring property. That sometimes we have to call in the fire brigade. You know, sometimes when people tie all their animal here, people have to rush here sometimes to help the animal when the place is set on fire.
While the MP is appealing for a receptacle for the commercial businesses in Mile Gully, the NSWMA boss is urging the business operators to secure a proper disposal contract for their waste.
And we can move their garbage at a small fee, or they can register with any hauler of their choice and get their garbage removed in a responsible and environmentally sound manner.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.